Hi everyone, figured it was time to get my F-22 version 5 by RC Powers out for a little bit of Raptor ripping. She hasn't been out in a few months and was looking kind of forlorn, so let's give her a rip here, figure out what our wind is doing. Okay, coming from my right. Whoa! Didn't have her quite launched into the wind there. One thing about this airplane, you have to be very, very careful on launch. Nice. Not to have any crosswind, because those big vertical stabilizers, it'll really get pushed over easily. So running the GEP RC 2306-2750. Gemfan Flash 6042, which I haven't run in this plane before, the prop anyway. So yeah, I'm loving the speed. Fastest 3S combo I've had in this plane yet. Nice. That's got a lot of giddy up. I'm really liking that. Can't seem to bring it in close from the right there. Give another try from the left here. There we go, baby. Little victory roll. Get it a little lower here. There we go. Send it, baby. Yeah, this baby, it just really, once you get her going fast, it just locks right in. You know, it just gets to a certain point. Certain point speed-wise where it, you know, it just is so stable. Too fun. Raptor Atolla of rock and rolla, baby. Okay, there's our alarm. Let's see if we can't get one more decent one. See if we can't grease the landing here. Nice. So there we go, folks. A little bit of F-22 version 5 Raptor ripping here on Memorial Day. I'd like to wish a very safe and happy Memorial Day to all my viewers from the U.S. and all of those folks that I've served with. I had the honor and privilege to serve very closely with folks from the U.S. military throughout my entire career, and you know, it was just a true privilege and an honor. So I have a prayer in my heart, remembering those that paid the ultimate sacrifice, to them and to the families that they left behind, and my sincere thanks to all those who serve now and who have served in the past. So thanks very much again. Have a great Memorial Day. Thanks as always for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise. Hear the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.